Welcome to Develop with Ankon, and in today's video we will talk about how to write a program of factorial using Python. So what is a factorial? So factorial of any positive integer is just the multiplication of all the integers smaller than that positive integer. For example, if we say what is the factorial of 5, so the factorial of 5 will be 5 multiplied by all the elements smaller than 5 up to 1. Okay. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we multiply all these 5 numbers, then we get 120. So 120 will be our output. So I have actually coded the program beforehand. So you can see this will be our main output. So what we will take a number from the user, and correspondingly we will print the value of the factorial. Okay, so here you can say in the output result the value of the factorial of 5 factorial is 120. So now let's code it up. So first let's take a number n equals to int input. We will take the input from the user and we will say enter the number. Okay, after that let's store this number in a number n that we have taken the input from the user and store it in a variable num. Okay, after that I will say that factorial result, okay, fact result is equals to 1. Let it be initialized by 1, and after that we will run a while loop where num should be greater than 0. Okay, because what I will do actually, so the num value contains our input variable. Okay, and we will decrement its value one by one and multiply it with the factorial result, and we will store that result in the factorial result variable. Okay, so what we are doing here, so we are taking while num is greater than 0 means the num, so you can see the multiplication should go up to 1, right? So we are taking num should be greater than 0 here. After that we will save factorial result is equals to factorial result into the number. Okay, and after that we will decrement the value of the number by 1, so num minus 1. So here you can clearly see this step is actually performing the multiplication. So 5, so if we take the input as 5, so 5 is stored in the nums, and 5 will get multiplied by factorial result, that is equals to 1. Okay, after that so our factorial result will be now 5. After that number will be decremented by 1, so number becomes 4 now, and in the next iteration of the while loop the number 4 will be multiplied with the factorial result, and the factorial result currently contains 5 in the second iteration, and the number value is 4, so 5 will get multiplied by 4, and this series will continue. Okay, so after the while loop has stopped, we will get our result, and the next task is to print the value of the factorial. Okay, so the value of the factorial will be, I will use the format keyword to format the string, and first here we should pass the value of n. Okay, value of n, and after that the value of the factorial result, so result of the factorial. Okay, now let's run this program. So let's enter 5, and here you can see 120 is the result. Let's check for another number, say 10. So you can see the factorial value is a large number. Okay, so that is for the whole tutorial. If you like the tutorial, then please hit the like button and please subscribe. I have seen that many of the persons watching these videos were not subscribing to my channel, so please subscribe, as it will motivate me to make this kind of video more in future. So thank you, have a nice day ahead.